The first evidence of mutation of coronavirus was known in United Kingdom, after that in South Africa, later in Brazil, and recently in some reports on TV news have told the newest one originated in California this week. Yes, I am talking about the coronavirus variants. As if only one coronavirus wasn't enough to worry about, it seems there are more versions of it popping up all over the world. As I told you before, the first evidence of mutation of coronavirus was known in United Kingdom. That we don't know either was introduced there from elsewhere or was originated there, which it can be up to 60% more transmissible than its predecessors. And the other ones come from South Africa, Brazil, and California, which are proving to be adept at evading our hubs and the newest outbreaks COVID-19 vaccines. Now, scientists and researchers are trying and racing to learn more about this and other incarnations of SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. Are they more contagious, more deadly, or more impervious to treatment? Meanwhile, the rest of us are trying to get our heads around a more fundamental question. Are they variants or strains? Let's get started with variant term. The genetic material for SARS-CoV-2, the coronavirus that causes COVID-19, is called ribonucleic acid, or RNA in short term, which is responsible for helping our cells making proteins. Keep in mind that ribosomes, proteins that catalyze chemical reactions, copy RNA to duplicate it. But while it is doing that, it is making mistakes in the genetic code at the same time. For this reason, the frequency of mutation is much higher than in other viruses, making errors copies and thus establish infection. Then the SARS-CoV-2 RNA must take control of a host cell and use the cell's machinery to duplicate itself. As there are more infections among the people, errors take place in copying and then mutations or changes in the genetic information of viruses arise, such as the one that causes COVID-19. When a mutation changes the virus genome or the genetic code, it becomes a new variant. This is how genetic mutation arises. On the other hand, we can mention that SARS-CoV-2 is one of the different strains of coronaviruses. And before that, the SARS-CoV, or known as SARS virus, was appeared for the first time in China in 2004. Surely you remember it. Each of the new types or species of coronavirus is called a strain. If a new strain appeared, then the coronavirus could have to undergo a drastic change or mutation in its gene chain, which has not happened so far. Essentially, all the strains are variants, but not all variants are strains. In few words, a strain is a variant that is made up differently and therefore behaves differently from its original virus. Yes, I know it could sound confusing this topic, but the main point of this video is you can spot the difference between a variant and a strain. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, don't forget to leave me your thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks so much and see you in the next video.